स्कूबी हाउस। अब हम करेंगे स्कूबी के शहर में राइड। बैटमैन डन, टॉम एंड जेरी डन, स्कूबी के शहर में राइड। क्या बड़ा मॉइस्चर, मजेदार। राइड है। आई डोंट नो इफ टॉम एंड जेरी वाले में फोन अलाउड नहीं था, यहाँ पे फोन इज अलाउड। कांट से छोटा ही क्यों है। अच्छा, यहाँ पे मैंने एक चीज़ नोटिस की है। इफ दे से 10 मिनट्स, ट्रस्ट मी, इट इज ओनली 10 minutes, not more than that. It can be less than that. In fact, mostly less, but can be more. I think we can take phone along. चलो फिल्म करेंगे आज। Bye with Scooby. ये है हमारी सवारी नंबर 2। Hello.
Jeepers, what a spooky museum.
It's my life's work, but sadly, I have to close it. I never used to believe in ghosts or monsters, but something is scaring everyone away.
Don't worry, Professor. We'll investigate this mystery.
Like, leave it to us to run into a haunted museum on our way to the beach.
Okay, gang, let's split up and look for clues.
What a creepy picture. I wonder if these are...
तुम्हारे बचपन का? Wow. This is what I mean by cinematic, 3D, 4D, every time.
Maybe I can reconnect the power to help find it. Jeez, I must have pulled the wrong wire. This ought to do it. Hurry, this way. Who knew science could have so many ghosts?
इसका नाइट इसका नाइट 13 minutes है। और कलर है।
My glasses! I can't find my glasses!
What a night for a night!
This is a fun बच्चों वाला राइड, बट आपके अंदर भी लिटरली वो बचपन वापस ला देता है।
These exhibits are getting too hot. Let's go.
Look! Behind us! The fire revealed a secret passageway!
Let's hope it leads to the kitchen.
Someone's been using this hall to set traps. We'll need to set our own trap. If this goes here and that swings out from there, then all we need is the bait.
Not me, man. Try asking Scooby.
Great. You deserve a Scooby snack.
Wait, maybe I can help. Can I also get a Scooby snack?
Cheers, Shaggy. After you find the ghosts and lure them into the trouble.
Okay, here goes nothing. Found the ghost. Now what?
Faster, baby. Faster.
Like I'm going as fast as I can. He's right behind us. I'm gonna need a handful of Scooby snacks after this. Scooby snacks. Get away.
Coming through.
Watch it.
Sorry, Shaggy.
Maybe if we're quiet, they won't hear us.
You have to be quiet, Shaggy.
What, Shaggy?
Those ghosts just don't know when to quit.
Don't worry, Dad. Our trap is all ready to go.
Come on, everybody. This way. The trap's all set. Just lure the ghost into position. A little more.
Now, gang.
And the film is...
The professor's brother.
But why?
He wanted the museum's treasure all for himself.
So he faked the exhibits being haunted.
Using these props to try and scare everyone away and shut down the museum.
And I would have gotten away with it too, if it weren't for you meddling kids.
just recording and recording. Fun. Too much fun.